My name is Meredith Shirk and my friends call me Mer. I'm a working mother of 2 kids, and after struggling with my post-baby body, I found a way to rebuild my confidence and restore my body. Every time I looked in the mirror, I barely recognized the person staring back at me. I was overwhelmed and I felt stuck.
Now, you want to lose weight and get healthy, but starving yourself and counting calories is just too hard.
And it's not about eating less, it's about eating more of the right foods. I was a water polo player, but an accident sidelined me. It was a dark time and I needed to repair my body and my mind to recover. After having my babies, I felt like I lost a part of myself. My body changed in ways I never expected. And I knew I had to find a real solution, but not just one to restore my body, but to rebuild my confidence and sense of who I was. I realized that my work was to develop myself, and that growth would allow me to impact others. I started with myself. Then I took it to my personal training clients, who felt like they tried everything to lose weight and they just couldn't. My approach focuses on boosting metabolism and healing through specific foods and spices. It's the perfect method for people who want to lose weight without giving up their favorite foods. In this presentation, you'll be in the driver's seat of your wellness journey. I'll guide you on nutrition, and I'm going to show you the exact metabolism-boosting superfoods for best weight loss results, hormone balancing, energy, and vitality.
So you might be thinking, I eat healthy and it's not working. It's just not working out. But guess what? It's not about restrictions. It's about combinations. It's not knowing what to combine your favorite foods with in order to light a fire under your metabolism. I introduce these combinations for you to start burning fat even at rest.
Because if we don't eat the foods we love, what's life? But we need to combine our favorite foods with foods that boost metabolism too. Studies show that drinking a tablespoon of olive oil and turmeric before bed can actually help us burn fat while sleeping, thanks to the monosaturated fats and curcumin. Now, the good news is that you've already taken the first step by being here right now. Now, unlock the power of these 5 meta-influencer foods and start adding them to your meals. Now, I know you've been struggling with weight loss and your frustration is at an all-time high. And first, I just want you to take a really deep breath and just stop blaming yourself, because it's not your fault. Embrace your unique self. No matter your shape, size, you're valuable and capable of making positive changes for yourself. Celebrate your body and recognize that you're an incredible person. Second, I want you to always remember your value. I'm here to empower you and to see the beauty in yourself at every step and actually every misstep too. You might have stressors in your life holding you back from reaching your weight loss goals, but that's okay. We're gonna tackle them head on, step by step. Once you've taken those steps, you can move to the core of the issue, balancing your cortisol levels. Cortisol is our body's stress hormone, and many women's bodies are flooded with it. Most women never get to the root cause of their weight gain, which is a slowed metabolism due to imbalanced hormones. Now, the usual fixes like diet and exercise only create more hormonal issues. They overwhelm the body and raise cortisol. And the craziest thing about all of this is it happens silently in the body. So how are women supposed to know, let alone how to fix it? My approach is different because it's not just a mix of healthy, low-calorie foods like most other programs out there. It focuses on research-backed foods and spices that women, especially over 40, need to scientifically benefit their metabolism, hormones, and overall well-being. Mix the power of these hormone-balancing, metabolism-boosting superfoods with an easy-to-follow structure, and you've got a tailor-made, done-for-you plan that matches your lifestyle. My program has helped 1 million women lose tons of weight by helping them balance their hormones and unlock their body's fat-burning potential. And the best part is, you can keep off the weight while still maintaining a healthy, satisfying lifestyle. So you can still eat all of your favorite foods, and you just need to know what to pair them with. The right meta-influencing superfoods and the right combinations to reset and balance your hormones. Do that, and the weight will fall off. I started this journey because I was tired of seeing women feel tortured and tormented and battered by weight loss methods that just don't work. I want women to feel empowered and to love themselves again. But all those other methods out there are doing the exact opposite. Now, I want to help as many women as I possibly can feel confident in their skin and improve their health so they can start living their lives, a new life this time, with self-confidence and assurance that they can do it. This is more than a program, it's a movement. I call my method MetaBoost, and it's really going to give you the boost you never knew you needed to drop the extra weight that's been holding you back from living your best life to the fullest.
Hi, my name is Duffy.
Hi, my name is Ro, and we've been on the MetaBoost Connection program now for about 2 weeks.
I went from 192 to 185 pounds in only 14 days.
And I have lost inches around my waist and around my hips. And although we've been on this program for 2 weeks, we saw results within the first 3 days. And one thing you're really gonna love about this program is the food. The recipes are quick and easy, and the food is delicious.
You can still eat all your favorite foods. When we're mixing these supreme superfoods with the foods we actually love, what happens is we're creating a metabolic connection, a cellular combustion where we're burning more fat faster, utilizing even some of the same carbs that are in muffins, pizza, brownies, crackers, and all of that.
My energy level went way up. I feel as good as I did when I was 35, and I'm back in my 32 waist blue jeans, which I've been trying to do for 2 years.
And what I thought was a mommy tummy for the past 13 years was just bloat from eating the wrong foods.
You see, it's not about starving yourself or not eating the things that you actually love. When you do that, what happens is you just hate life. And I mean, what is life if you can't enjoy anything? So you need to find a way to bridge the gap between eating what you love, losing weight, and still feeling good. All these things need to happen in order for us to lose weight. And it's a lot less difficult than everybody makes it out to be.
Now, the first of these 5 superfoods is flaxseed, by the way. And while you might have seen it on the menu of your favorite healthy restaurant in the form of yummy flaxseed pancakes, you probably had no idea just how good for you this tiny little wonder seed is. I want to share another really startling thing that I discovered during my research, which is the advice being given to women on how to actually lose weight, especially on those 4 L's: your lower belly, your love handles, your lifted butt, and your loose arms. It's just wrong.
We definitely recommend you get on this program as a lifestyle change.
You won't regret it.
MetaBoost has 3 main parts. The first step is the metabolic flush. Now, it uses powerful nutrients from select meta-influencer foods and spices to prep your body for weight loss, up to 8 pounds to be exact, in just 24 hours. Now, the second step is the belly blast. This is a 10-day food plan that incorporates specific anti-inflammatory ingredients that help flush fat and toxins and impurities all out of the body, leaving you looking and feeling so much lighter.
My name's Jean. I just wanted to tell you about MetaBoost program. I found it on social media. It's super easy. The recipes are fantastic, and I had great results with it. So I really can't wait to share it with my friends. Loved it.
And finally, the workout manual. It's optional though, because to lose weight, working out is actually not a must. But if you'd like to incorporate some movement, these short exercises, just 5 minutes each, are exactly what the body needs to be effective in muscle toning and fat burning, even for complete beginners. And just to make it crystal clear, you do not need to do these workouts to lose weight. Just doing the first 2 steps of my method will transform your body. And I want you to take advantage of this. It's easy for me to offer this to you because the truth is, you're gonna see results in the first 24 hours. That's how confident I am that you're gonna start seeing fast results with MetaBoost. So don't wait. Transform your life today with my proven weight loss method.
I started my journey back in June, and since June I have lost 40 pounds and 26 inches from all over my body. So I'm just amazed and absolutely blown away by the fantastic results I've had. I have been dieting for many years, and I have never ever had such success with a diet as I have this time. So I cannot tell you how pleased and thrilled and just ecstatic I am about the whole thing. And I'm really, really chuffed with my amazing weight loss. So thank you, team. Thank you, Meredith. You've been brilliant. Thank you so much.
So are you ready to take control of your life again? Don't miss out right now. Just click the button below and join us.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.